Hello, I'm going to be doing a demo of the CS122B Project 4. So the first thing we want to do is do a git clone. And then a git log. So our last commit is this one right here. Alright. And now we'll build a package. And we will show that we do not have the web app there yet. And then we'll go ahead and copy the WAR file so that we have it in the web app folder, like so. And when we run this again, we should see the WAR file. Next thing we want to do is we want to open our website in our web browser. So we're going to open up a incognito tab. And let's go ahead and go to the babflix.site. We will open up the console page. And we will go ahead and log in. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is type LO into the main search bar. And we're going to hit the enter key directly. And that'll take us to the movie list page with normal full text search. And you saw that the autocomplete was not triggered because only 2 characters were provided. Alright, and then now we'll enter SLOV, like so. And then a drop-down suggestion list appears showing the autocomplete suggestions. We can use the up and down arrow keys to navigate. And we'll navigate to the 3rd suggestion and hit the enter key. And this will redirect us to the single movie page. Then we'll go back again. We'll do it again. So SLOV. And this time we will use our mouse to click the last suggestion. And this will also bring us to the single movie page. Now we'll go ahead and quickly enter love into the main search bar. And you can see that one request was sent to the backend in the console. Then we'll delete E, and then we'll re-enter E. And you can see when we deleted E, it sent a backend request, and then when we added back the E, it used cached results. We can also demonstrate our fuzzy search results. So 39 pounds of love. And we can go ahead and change about 3 characters, like so. And we can submit this query. Just copy this. And we see that it can correctly search for the movie. But if we went, like one more, we lose that suggestion. Alright, so that is the website. Now we'll show the Android in the local emulator. So we're connected to the AWS address, as you can see. In some activities, so for example, right here, we're connecting to our AWS instance on port 8443, which corresponds to my AWS instance's IP address. So, right, we're gonna do a git status here. So we're up to date with our branch, and if we do git log, we have the same commit from earlier. So let's build and deploy on Pixel XL Android version 33. So let's build that. Let's enlarge the phone. So if we want to go to login page, just login page, and we'll enter the account a@email.com with the wrong password. And if we try and log in, we get a error message saying that the login failed. Let's go ahead and enter in the correct email now. Which is A2. And when we log in, we now are able to log in, and it takes us to the searching movie page, which is the main page. So on this main page, if we enter SLOV and we hit the enter key, then we see the movie list display. And on the movie list page, we can scroll. There's 10 movies per page. We can hit the next button to go to the next page. And then we can select the first movie on this page, which is Love Street. Click it, and it'll take us to the single star page. Single movie page with all the relevant information. And the buttons are disabled as well if there are no more results. But let us go back to the search bar and demonstrate the fuzzy search result as well. So just like before, if we have 30 pounds of love and search for it, we get the result. And once again, we set it up so that we can perform a few mistakes. So for example, like that, we can still find a result. But if we went, like one more mistake, we can no longer find that result. Great, and that is the end of the demo.